This is my channel, guys. Sinan Kuch, SINANKUCH, and yeah, this is the 2015 Tuono V4, and I got put all this the vinyl wraps on it. So I don't know. You guys tell me how it looks. I think it looks cool. You know, the one side is the green, the other side is the red, and the middle is the white. So it's like, you know how the Italian color, Italian look, Italian symbol right here, the red. Like, I try to make it look like red, white, and green. Like right here, red, white, and green. So the red on this side, the white, and the green. So, but I think all in all looks nice. So, and I got the Aftermarket mirrors, mirror ends, bar end mirrors. I got it facing up like that. I don't like it sticking out, because then if I lane split, it's gonna hit cars. So, and I got my cup holder right here. I got my phone holder right here, and don't mind this. I got my phone holder right here, and that's the only thing I put on is the cup holder. It's pretty sturdy, real good. And yeah, and these stripes, I put it myself. This is my own design. You know, the grip, knee pad grip. It works really good. Here's the tail end. Yeah, this is Aftermarket tail end. The RSV4 tail end. It looks really good on the on this bike right here. This is the V4. This is the you know, you sit upright. You know, the Tuono, you sit upright, but the previous owner, he decided, you know, just to put the RSV4 tail end. So you got it looking, you know, nice. I bought it for really decent price. He's going through some stuff, and you know, I went all the way to LA to pick it up, drove it all the way down to Stockton, California. Yep, that's about almost 600 miles, and I haven't ridden it for about 5-6 years, and I picked it up, ridden it. I haven't ridden it for about 6 years, and I've ridden it about 600 miles back. First time ridden it back. So yeah, let me know how you guys like the color scheme and how it looks, how the bike looks. And by the way, and I just had put brand new tires on it, just barely 20 miles on these tires. This is the what brand is this? This is the Pirelli Angel. The Angel brand. Pirelli. Here's the it has like the angel look to it too. So but yeah, I'm about to put this rear end my what is it, the my what is it? My mind is kind of off right now. I just woke up. But anyways, the my license plate is gonna go somewhere like right there. It's gonna hang down about right there, and this signal light might put it like right there, just so this area right here is just clear, make it look more clean, you know. So this right here is gonna have the you know, I'm trying to make this look clear, clean, flush. So I put my my license plate right there, and my signal light right there, plates here, signal light right there, and this is gonna be clear. All this is gonna be on. So we'll see. I don't know how long. I work too much, so we'll see how it goes. So yep, this is it, guys. Let's see. This is from the side, and let's see from the rear end. It's from the rear. All right, guys. Let me know what you guys think of my bike. How you guys think of? What do you guys think? How you guys like it? What do you guys think I should do to it, or what I could make it look better? All right. I'll see you guys on the next video. All right.